I got my first refundable sample. Oh boy, oh boy. And it is Angel Kiss. An Angel Kiss purse. And this is from Puff. I already have one of these bags that I love so much. I think this is the purple one. Let me see. Oh, it is. Oh. Is it the same as the other one or is it different? I think I got a different one. Yeah, it's different. So look at that. Oh, 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 look at that. Oh, I love it. It is purple. Look at that. So much room in there. It's like a purple tie-dye color. I don't know if you can see that really well, but there's so much room in these bags. Like, these are the perfect, most fantastic. Really, I seriously plan to get like every color. Shh, don't tell Tim. I plan to get like every color and just switch them out. I already have a couple. I have 2 brown ones. I have 2 different sizes. Zip in the back. Oh my gosh. So awesome. So, and you're probably wondering, how do you get a refundable sample? Well, first you have to be accepted as a TikTok shop affiliate, which you have to have a certain amount of followers and a certain amount of engagement. And then you can apply and you can sell things and you can make commission. It actually has a pretty good commission rate. So, for example, with this one, I have to sell, if I sell 2 of these, I get $40. So, and that's just for, the refundable sample. And then after that, I get a commission of, I believe, $6 a bag. So, which is really great. That's a really great commission. So, and either way, honestly, I wanted this bag. So, as you can see, I love the purple. Let me show you. I have, just to show I'm not lying to you, I got this bag, and because I'm a nerd, I got the same bag twice. So I have this bag, which I don't know if you saw that I did the review on, but that's the smaller size, and this is the larger size of it. So, can you see them next to each other? How one is a little larger? Yeah. So anyway, I'm kooky. I should have got 2 different colors, but so be it. What do you think, Thor? What do you think, Kratos? Either way, I love these bags, as I said, and yeah, I'm just super happy and I'm super excited to sell some of these. So if you're interested in getting one, let me know. And I'll put some links wherever I put this video. So, because this isn't really a good sell it to you video. I got to remake that next. So, all right.